In this photo, I was on Bakerston Tip and Medellin, Colombia. More specifically, in Guatapé, I remember I was very happy because it reminded me of all the time I had been there with my family, especially the last time we heard Old Town words. The thing I loved most about this trip was the tasty food I ate and the melodic song of the city because it makes you feel welcome. I think that Guatapé and Medellin are really bright and colorful, and this antique work making every time.